You guys need it? This is episode 2 of the Louie Chuck the Bollywood Star series. Here we start and go. Hi everybody, I'm back. So, like I said in episode 1, I live in the Old West. Well, I decided to move to California, even though I still got a Western accent. I like to go to beaches. So, I like to get on the sand and build sand castles. And go in the ocean. The ocean I have is the Pacific Ocean. I like to swim, like I stayed in after one. I like to stay at a hotel built for me called Louie Chuck the Bollywood Star Hotel. Only got 5 stars. And I pack lights, so I pack for my car. I got to bring on inside the hotel room. And my hotel room is where I go to round on the beach. Over there I see sunsets, and I go to the mall and shop there. The mall has a bunch of stuff. I see clothes you can actually buy. So, see my eyebrow. And I was bought from a store in amart.com. Now, here I got bought from a cinema screen by Fred Robs and Ralph. Now, I'll be on. I'll probably be coming up soon. Bye.